Good evening, guys. This is Red Gay White, and I'm going to tell you how to stay anonymous on Kali Linux. 90 to 90% or 92% you will be untraceable if you will use the Tor proxy, and you will then go through proxy chains, and you will hide your DNS, and you will use dynamic chains. Then you will be untraceable, guys. I'll show how to do it. First, you have to install Tor. Just with a simple command, you can install it. Apt install Tor, and then it will ask, "Do you want to install?" And you have to press Y and then enter. Yes, I have to install the store service, and when it will be installed, then you have to clear this, and afterwards you have to come to file system, then to in the folder you will see there etc. Come in that etc, type proxy proxy chains, and you have to double click on it. And then afterwards, guys, this is the main step. Here I'll explain you what are the things that you have to modify and what are the things that we have to write in this. You see this HTTP, this is used in Tor browsers, proxies, and SOCKS 4. It's not a very nice one, but it's used in Tor also. SOCKS 5, we will use SOCKS 5, guys. This is the main thing. And then we'll use dynamic chain. We have to uncomment it, guys. You see this hash, ये hash हमको हटाना है, guys. We have to uncomment this hash, and then we have to go downwards, and you'll find there DNS request, no DNS leak. We don't want our DNS to be showed, so we'll uncomment this also. Hash, we have to remove hash in front of these two, one proxy DNS and the other one is dynamic chain. You see this dynamic chain, you have to uncomment this, and afterwards you have to go downwards, and then you have to type over here SOCKS 5 as SOCKS 5, then press tab, then write 1 2 7 7.0.0.1, then tab and then space and write 9050, and then save it, guys. Then you have to save it, guys. I'll again tell you what you have to do. First you have to install Tor service. Where is that Tor service? I think so I may have cancelled it. Okay, you have to just type one command, apt install Tor, and then press enter. Mine is installed, guys. I told you that then it will ask, do you want to continue? You have to press Y and then press enter, then it will install. And afterwards what you have to do, then you have to come into your file system, and then you have to click on etc folder, and then proxy change you will type, and then you have to double click on it. And when you will double click on it now, guys, afterwards you will come into this folder. Then after that, this is the main part. You have to uncomment dynamic chain. You have to just clear the hash in front of it, and then you have to come downwards, and then you have to clear the hash in front of proxy DNS requests. No leak for DNS data. You don't want your DNS to be leaked. Okay, whatever you are doing, that should not be leaked. After that, you have to come downwards and type SOCKS 5 space 127.0.0.190.50, and then you have to save it, guys. Save. Then after that you have to save it. Save. Okay, that's it, and then you have to close it. Now the main part will come over. You have to first start your Tor service. Service Tor status. First check, guys, that it is started or not. No, it's inactive. I have to start it, guys. So you have to start it by typing a command service Tor start, then press enter, and it will start now, guys. Now see service Tor status. Let's see status. Is it running or not? Yes, it is, guys. It is running, and I am anonymous now. And now I have to go through proxy chains, guys. Now I have to type proxy chains Firefox. and I will type now www dot duckduckgo dot com. You can go to any other site, guys, if you want, but I'll prefer you to go to DuckDuckGo. It's your own wish, guys. Okay, I am not forcing you. You can go to any other sites. Now it will start, guys. Now you'll see. Don't worry about this thing. This thing will go on continuously. This change is going to proxy change, guys. Now I'll show you that you are really anonymous. Some people will ask that how we are anonymous. I will tell you again also, guys, by restarting the Tor service also. Again you will get to know that you are anonymous. But I'll recommend you don't use it for any type of hacking or any other purpose. This video is just only for educational purpose, so that you can get to know that how to stay anonymous. Okay, don't try to tease anyone, or don't try to do anything unofficial with this, so that you can put yourself in type of any crime or thing. I hope you'll understand, guys. Now let's check DNS leak. Is my DNS leaking? Let's see if I am in any other country, or I am in my this only country, where I am sitting. I will not reveal where I am sitting. DNS leak test. DNS leak test.com. Yes, I have to go over here. Let's check, guys, that I am anonymous or not. No, I don't want anything, my friend. Let's see, there you go, guys. I am anonymous. Let's check. This is not my IP, guys. I'm again saying this is not my IP. I have my IP something else, but it's showing over here something else. And I'll click on standard test, and let's see where I am located now. There you go, guys. I'm in London, United Kingdom. I'm not sitting in my country where I am. I'm somewhere else. My ISP is showing somewhere else. Sorry, I spoke little bit of in a hurry. My ISP is showing somewhere else, and my country somewhere else. You can check. If you want that I should again repeat this step, I'll show you that I am seriously anonymous. I'll stop it. Okay, I'll clear this, and I'll do service tor restart. Sorry, spelling mistake. Start. Let's check the status. That service tor status. Yes, it is survey. And now I have to clear this. And now I have to run proxy. Now let's go on to Google, guys. Let's try Google. Will Google let me come through this? Let's see, guys, whether Google lets me come in. Oh yes, Google is allowing me, guys, and where I am till I have to say it. Let's check what is my IP. Is my no, what is my IP? Not I'll go to there you see, guys, I am anonymous. I'll tell you afterwards how to set up everything. Okay, how to do. I'll tell you my IP address, guys. Okay, that what is my real IP address, but I will not tell it, guys. It will cause problem for me. Let's look DNS leak, guys. Over here, let's again see DNS leak test. I'll go over here. Hello from, I don't know, but this is not my IP address, guys. Right now only say. And let's do standard test again. Maybe I can be in United Kingdom also, maybe in any other country also. It depends, guys. Let's will my IP leak or not. No guys, now right now I'm in New York. You can see, first I was in London, now I'm in New York. That's it guys. You can browse anonymously guys. It's really simple. Now you know what I'll tell you. If you have to stop this service, then you have to press this service store, and then you have to press stop, and then press enter, and the service will stop. If you still want to see that whether service is stopped, then you have to press service store status. I'll tell you status. Yes, stopped anonymizing overlay network. Yes, it is stopped guys. And one thing I have to again say you that you have to, if you want to come back to your position that your IP address should be visible original one, then you have to change it guys. Otherwise it's gonna cause problem. If you will click on the Firefox browser without proxy change, it will Google will say that it has detected some malicious network, so it will cause you problem guys. So your IP address will be visible over there. So I want you to just do one thing. Just go to the folder which I said again, file system, and then go to etc folder, and then put proxy chains, and then double click on it, and just what the things I have hashes I uncommented, and that you have to comment again in front of dynamic chain, and then you have to come downwards, and in front of this proxy DNS request you have to put hash in front of it, and then you have to clear this socks 5 all 127, and you have to use socks 4, and then save this file guys. Save this. Okay, that's it guys. That's it guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you like the video, and then like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. And in the next video guys, I'll tell you how to install Parrot, and I'll also tell you in the other video how to install Kali Linux also. And on Parrot guys, you can stay anonymous on Parrot also. There is a feature in it only installed. I'll also tell you how to use that also. Until then, bye bye.